Alright, so let's see. Today is Thursday, March the 8th, 2017. And it is 1:44 in the afternoon. 1:44. And this used to be the Comfort State Bank. We are in Comfort, Texas, by the way. And so it used to be the bank, but I wanted to bring you over here to show you that it is now the Comfort Heritage Foundation Archives and Museum. Okay? It's closed today, as you can see. And right here tells you about it, 1907 Comfort State Bank building. So you can obviously read that, pause it. And then there's just that little plaque right there. You can see that. They got these blinds over so we can't see inside of it. But it's made out of limestone. Very cute building. There's this thing right here, Comfort State Bank. So it's a nice foray into the town. A good start. So that's looking that way. Over here is where I started from. That's the Cypress Creek Antiques. It says Antiques on high up there at the very top. And I'm going to go back across, because the next thing I want to show you is over here. If you'll notice down there, see that little red Mini Cooper down there? That's the actual back door bookstore. Now, the reason I point that out is because up here it says Backdoor Bookstore, established by the Comfort Library. So, something kind of neat and kind of different. Let's see. Here's this building, Texas Historical Commission. Honest Helm building, so you can read all about that. See about it. Stuffed animal sleepover. Okay. Comfort Public Library. Okay, so this is the library. Wow, interesting. Here's Gil's Comfort Barber Shop.
Ooh, well, this lady, she's amazing. She did this great job.
Elizabeth Daniel Boutique. What's Your Step? So there's that. Private drive, so here's somebody's private house. Let's see what we got here. This sign here says Peter Joseph Ingenhewitt Homestead. German immigrant Peter Joseph Ingenhewitt, 1833-1923, so I was 90 years old. Came to Texas, settled on a farm near Comfort in the 50s. It's 1850s. In 1861, he married Marie Carger, 1843-1913. And they moved into town in 1867. The Ingehewitts opened various businesses along that is now High Street, including a hotel, saloon, and livery stable. Ingenhewitt served for nearly 25 years as a Comfort postmaster. The small cottage at the back of this property was the Ingenhewitt home until the large dwelling at this site was built. Okay, so that one back there. And then they built this. Pretty nice. There's a little sparrow right there. Then a Texas Bistro. It too is a historical commission building. Comfort Post Office. So you can read all about this. How very interesting. Okay, and then up here is the Faust Hotel. This reminds me of the game Seventh Guest because of that name, Faust. So let's check it out. Caution, slippery when wet. Okay. Ingenhewitt Fast House. Cut brackets. So there you go. You can pause all that and read that. See, they've got a whole bunch of rocking chairs. And then see up there, it says Faust Hotel. So, not too much in there. It's a dining room. Ooh, with a nice fireplace and couch and stuff, so that's pretty nice. Wood floors. Interesting. Tesla charging for hotel guests only. So if you stay here, you can charge your car. Alright, now the elephant story, a home for elephant conservation. Here you go. It's a Carver building. You can pause this. And read all of that. Interesting buildings, interesting architecture, interesting design. Okay. Man, every one of these buildings is a historical building. Here's Inguit Carver Saloon. Okay, so here you go. You can read this, pause it, see what you think. It's made out of limestone. Asian antiques, baskets, and accessories. Okay, so this building is Ingan Hewitt on High Event Center. Wow. So you can see this is a pretty tall building. Let's see. I guess we can get a... Wow, that is big in there. Goes back there a long way. So, interesting. Okay, the Founding Freethinkers is what it says right there. Let me back up. Make sure I get all this in frame. And then you can pause all this and read it. It's just hard to keep straight. There we go. All right. And now, this building, it's the guy Schmidt. You can read this. It's built in 1890 as a blacksmith shop. And the National Historic Register of Historic Places in 1979. All right. Pretty cool. See that building down there? That looks really nice. We like that. Over here is Miss Giddy's. And what does that say? A serendipitous satchel of surprises. How's that for wording? Okay, and then there's this sign that I can't really get to, but I'll read it to you. It says the Herman and Antoine Ingan Hewitt Homestead. This site was the homestead of Herman, 1870-1944, and Antoine, 1873-41. Ingan Hewitt, from their marriage in 1895 until their deaths, remained in the family until the end of the 20th century. Herman acquired the Ingan Hewitt livery stable and cotton yard from his father, Peter Ingan Hewitt, about 1895, and served as postmaster of comfort from 1908 until 1915. The Ingan Hewitts, who reared two daughters on their homestead, were active in local civic and business affairs. The homestead included a house, barn, wash house, smokehouse, and cistern, and remains a significant part of the German-Texan heritage of this part of the state. So there you go. Whole lot of history here. All right, so let's start back down this other side of the street. I just want to start with this bathtub, these plants, and then this right here. Just a little different idea on a planter. So we'll go down through here. Wind chimes. The Comfort Stampede is what we're looking at here. Okay. I don't see a historical thing on this building. Hey, how y'all doing? So we've got antiques down here. This is an antique town, by the way. That's their actual slogan. Comfort Antique Mall. It's made out of metal. Pretty cool. Some of the stuff in the window. More stuff back here. Tables and chairs and things. Lockers. This looks like an old building, but I don't see a history marker on it. And also, just to get a look and see, this is the other side of the street. This is what I had been filming up close. Just want you to get a good look at that. See, that's the P. Ingham Hewitt 1881. That says up there. And then that one, Peter Ingham Hewitt, and that one says 1891. And then we'll start with the elephant story when we get down a little bit. Here is the High's Cafe and Store, because we're on High Street. Open 7 days, 8 to 11 breakfast and lunch 11 to 4. And they got a website right there if you're interested. So that's it. Pretty cool. Here we got this place to walk under. Got plants, shade, nice. Then you can eat outside if you want. Okay. Let's see. Weber's Cafe. It's the old painting. You can see that's on this side of this building. Hopefully you can see that. Intermezzo now, a gallery gives arts and music. Here they've got some postcards, looks like. And they're 75 cents. Quite a few of them. Pretty cool. Okay. And here, Comfort Meat Market, M-E-E-T, Tavern. Okay, so there's a take on a name. Tour 7 historic homes, now B&B's guest houses. Saturday, April the 14th from 11 to 4. $20, okay? Free tickets. Oh, you can buy it at all those places. Awesome. I think we'll do that. Here's something called Huckleberries. Home Access Beer, Wine, Cigars Event Center. Little sparrow, little puppy. Little fountain there. Actually kind of a big fountain. And then here, voted the best Texas winery, 15, 16, and 17. And you know me and wine, we don't get along. Branch on High, snacks, rent this room, it says. There's just some stuffs for Christie's there. And then, man, this is pretty big. Gatherings on High, rehearsal dinners, weddings, and special events. Okay. You can see this pretty good sized little place here. Got what looks like a little madrone tree here, see? I always like those. They're so smooth. They're so cool. Now back down here, you can see this is where I started this video. This is that State Bank. And you see it from this side now. Pretty neat. Alright, so that pretty much concludes at least this part of the video tour of Comfort in the downtown section. I guess you should see all that ivy on that building down there. That's pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to go back through this and take me some pictures, and we'll go from there. So, I'll see you on whatever the next part is, okay?